my name is Maylin, and today I will be teaching you guys how to use castor oil on your eyebrows. This is so simple and easy to use onto your regular routine. If you want full, thick eyebrows, all you need is just 3 things. And what you'll need is 2 to 3 drops of castor oil, a small dish or bowl, a spoolie brush, and this is just a fancy word for a mascara wand, or if you have an unused toothbrush, that'll work perfect as well. So to get started, all you need to do is just pour 2 to 3 drops of castor oil into the small dish or bowl. Dip your unused spoolie brush into the castor oil. Gently apply onto your eyebrows and leave it on overnight. In the morning, all you need to do is just wash it off, and you want to repeat this for 1 to 2 times a week. I also use this for my lashes, but you do want to be careful with applying this just so you don't get it into your eyes. And before performing this, I would do a patch test just in case of any reaction. And that's basically it. I would say to check us out on our YouTube channel and our Art Naturals blogs for DIYs and any beauty recipes. Do not forget to follow and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, guys.